Hello everybody. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Boardroom to manage and monitor your inventory and to set up inventory alerts. So to get started, I've come over here to Insights, Inventory in the menu, and I'm checking out the Inventory Insights page. So first thing you'll notice is these two widgets here at the top called Fastest Selling Products and Slowest Selling Products. Boardroom is doing some basic inventory KPIs for you here that are not available in Shopify. So this is showing you units sold per day, both your highest and lowest selling products in terms of that metric. Now, using your sell-through rate, Boardroom can also forecast an out-of-stock date for each product in your store. So based on how many units you're selling per day, we can estimate how many days you have left until you will go out of stock of that particular product when considering how many units you have available. So that's what this Stock Out Insights widget is here. It's showing you the products that most urgently need to be restocked on your store. So we'll come back to that in just a moment, but scrolling down from this widget here, we have the inventory grid, and this is going to show you a list of all of the SKUs or variants in your store. And it's going to give you some basic financial and inventory related KPIs here for each product. So I can see, quantity available, quantity sold, units sold per day. There's that estimated number of days until I'm out of stock, and the estimated date that that product will go out of stock as well, along with my total retail value, which tells me, if I were to sell every single unit that I have available, how much revenue does that equate to? I can create a filter just by clicking underneath any column header here and adding, for example, a numeric filter. Let's say I wanted to look at products where I have more than 400 units available for some reason. I could do that, and the data will filter down in the background. And now I can also export any of these views into Excel as well. And I can even save a reporting view so that I can reload a set of columns and filters next time I log in. It's a pretty useful reporting feature here in Boardroom. Now, one thing I wanted to show you is how to create inventory alerts in Boardroom. So you can do that from down here in the inventory alerts section or at the top of the screen by clicking Create New under Inventory Alert. So what this is going to do is instruct Boardroom to send you a notification when it's probably time to restock a particular product. So how you do that is simply first choose whether you want to create an alert for a single SKU or variant or all variants of a single product. So that's the choice you're making here. Let's say if I choose single SKU/variant, I'm going to get a list of all of the variants here. So we can see I've got two different variants for this laptop. Let's choose one of those. And next I can choose two different options for how to set up this alert. First is to set up the alert based on that estimated inventory stock out date. So since Boardroom can forecast when each product is going to go out of stock, I can tell Boardroom to send me a notification, let's say 30 days before this product goes out of stock. I might make that decision based on how long it takes me to restock this particular product. Alternatively, I could choose to have this alert set up based on quantity available. So for this option, all I'm doing is telling Boardroom to send me an email when a particular product only has, let's say, 50 units left in stock. So I can click Create here. I get a little success message. The page will refresh. And I can scroll down and see that my alert has been set up here. And this should notify me as soon as quantity available is only 50 for this particular variant. So that's how you can use Boardroom to manage and monitor your inventory. Hopefully this has been helpful, and thank you for watching this tutorial video.